Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I stopped home during lunch. Today is a very sad day. As you can see, it has started to snow all over my baby. But for once, I don't even give a shit about the snow because look what just came in, baby. Now, if you're a subscriber to the channel, you already know what's in the box. I posted a picture a few days ago on what I ordered on Black Friday, and I'm actually surprised that it came in already. So without further ado, let's check out what's inside the box. So for those that don't know, this is BTR Stage 2 LS1 LS2 kit. It includes valve springs, rods, and obviously your camshaft. So inside your valve spring box is obviously your dual valve springs. They do recommend you get the dual valve spring kit, this whole kit, with the Stage 2. So there's your dual valve springs. These are your valve stem seal kits. Alright. These are your valve locks, spring locators, and also glass bag. It's your steel retainers. You could get the titanium retainers. I just did steel. I did ask BTR, you know, was there any real benefit? And he said, for my application, no. But not a terrible thing to upgrade, but he just said in my application I'm fine with the steel retainer, so that's what I went with. Alright, so now with the valve springs out of the way, in this box is your push rods. So you get 32 new push rods that'll go in these. I did get at 7.4 inches. I don't know, maybe, yeah, you can read it maybe on that one if it'll focus. There you go, 7.4. So, since I'm not changing heads, I'm sticking with the stock heads for now. These push rods will do the trick. Again, I asked the tech at BTR if this was the right size, and he said yes. Alright, and then it comes down to the cam. What everybody's here to see, these are the specs on this comp cam. You know, the main things are the duration. You're at 227, 234, with a lobe separation angle of 113. And your valve lift is 6.13 and 0.576. And you see there that it was produced on 7/3/19. So, which is pretty cool. You open this up. Inside the box, you have some directions. You have some comp cam stickers, because even though this is a BTR Stage 2 kit, it's actually a comp cam. It's not a Brian Tooley cam. It's a comp cam that he just puts in his Stage 2 kit. And then obviously now here is the cam itself in a nice bag to protect it. There's a bunch of lube and stuff on it. I guess just for transport, but I do have to get more lube later on when we do install it. And there you go. Comp cams, and that's the serial number. Now, one thing to note with this cam, as some of you know, if you've been following for a while, my car is an automatic. I did ask, again, the technical support at BTR if the stock converter would work. And they said most tuners can tune it right, that it won't push through the brakes. I did reach out to CSP, which is Complete Street Performance. I asked them if that were the case, and he couldn't give me a confirm indication that yes, he can do that, but he said he would try. So we're gonna try it on the stock converter for now, and if it really is all that bad, you know, down the road I'll just replace the converter. But for now, I'm sticking with the stock converter, obviously replacing springs, rods, cam. And then a subscriber asked, why did I choose the BTR Stage 2 kit? To be honest, I tons of videos, a lot of people on the forums recommend the Stage 2 kit. That's the real reason why I went for it. You know, Texas Speed had a really good Black Friday deal. I think it was $600 for their whole cam kit, whatever cam you decide to use. They also included, you know, dual valve springs, retainers, rods, the whole, everything that you see here. Texas Speed also offered for $600. I did get this from Summit Racing, as you saw from the box, right? And The reason for that was they just had $50 off for Black Friday, so it pretty much made the two kits identical in price, only a few dollar difference. But I'm not going to bad out Texas Speed or Tick Performance or any other cam out there. They're all good cams. I just saw a lot of good information on this Stage 2. A lot of the guys liked it, so that's why I went with it. Now, as far as installation goes, I'm not going to install this right away. I am waiting for a few more parts. I'm going to be ordering a new harmonic balancer, probably a new water pump, new oil pump, and also a new timing chain, just to go along with everything. My car is approaching 60,000 miles. It's right at, I think, like 58,000. So since I'm in there doing all that work anyway, I am going to pick up those extra pieces. This way, at least the car should be good for however many more miles, and I'm not putting, you know, the old original parts back in there. I have reached out to a great friend of mine, Scott, over at Team 512, who you've seen on the channel before, and we're working on a date where I can go out to his place, spend pretty much probably the entire weekend, really, to put this in. Obviously, we're not mechanics, but it's not that difficult of a job. It's just going to take us a little bit of time to do it, since, you know, we don't do it on a regular basis. Now, along with that, I plan on getting this tuned at Complete Street Performance. So before we even do the install, I'm going to go there for a little dyno session just to find out what the car is making before we put the cam in. And then obviously we're going to do the install over the next probably 2 days or so. And then I'm going to go back there to get a proper dyno tune done. And we'll see how much power, you know, the Stage 2 BTR kit actually adds to the car. So those are the big plans coming up for the end of the winter, early spring. Like I said, I haven't really determined a date yet, but probably end of February or early March, something like that. So can't wait to put this in. You know, since the day I got this car, I've been wanting to get a cam. You know, finally the wife was on board with me getting it, so here we are, and I can't wait to have it put in. So if you like this quick unboxing of the BTR Stage 2 Cam Kit, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day.